Three automotive gods are in a never-ending struggle for supremacy when it comes to luxury SUVs. The iconic Range Rover, the sporty BMW X5, and the immaculate Mercedes-Benz. These iconic brands, which epitomize luxury, performance, and groundbreaking innovation, have left their marks on the annals of automotive history. Join us as we explore our top SUV picks and which one you should buy. Make sure to grab some popcorn because this will be the showdown of the year. Range Rover. What's the first name that comes to your mind when we say SUV? I bet it was none other than the Range Rover. Without question, the Range Rover has long been a symbol of the British automotive industry. Its design is a seamless combination of refinement and toughness. The timeless beauty of the traditional, boxy design is immediately recognizable. The characteristic split tailboard of the Range Rover provides functionality and is ideal for tailgating or simply enjoying a charming vista. Performance. However, this luxury has more than just class, it also performs immaculately. The later V8s give the Range Rover a dominating presence on the road, in addition to exciting acceleration. The Range Rover is a performance-focused luxury SUV that raises the driving experience to a completely new level thanks to these engines and a cutting-edge suspension system. Its engine lineup offers a well-balanced combination of strength and complexity. There is no doubt that the Range Rover line has something for every user. While not the most powerful, the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine at the heart of the P300's lineup provides a reasonable 296 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque for everyday driving. The next step up is the P400 MHEV, which has a mild hybrid system that combines an electric motor with an inline six-cylinder engine to produce 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid technology gives additional power while also being more efficient. For individuals who want a lot of power, the 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engines are offered. The P565 produces 557 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, while the P525 produces 518 horsepower and 461 pound-feet of torque. There is no doubt that the Range Rover line has something for every user. Interior and technology. As you step inside a Range Rover, you're surrounded by lush leather, wood, veneers, and high-quality materials. The seats are not only cozy, but the whole interior feels like you're in the lap of luxury, with innovative technology incorporated effortlessly into the cabin. The back seats have plenty of space, and the Range Rover oozes comfort. As for the technology, while there is not very competitive technology such as a dual-screen infotainment system, it does have an excellent feature set. The Range Rover pampers its passengers with technology ranging from massage seats to a high-end Meridian sound system. Verdict. While the Range Rover's unique appearance, lavish interior, and excellent performance make it a top competitor in the luxury SUV class, it also has significant drawbacks such as an abnormally high price tag, which starts from around $83,000, and the absence of anything as simple as a tire pressure monitoring system. Not only that, but maintaining its elegance would be prohibitively expensive, not only for petrol, but also for auto maintenance. And folks, if you're going to ask how much the maintenance cost would be, then you should probably not have eyes on the Range Rover. Before we move further, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. BMW X5. Next on the list is none other than the ultimate driving machine. BMW has long been associated with luxury, sophistication, and edge, and the X5 takes that approach to the SUV segment. It has BMW's trademark kidney grille and crisp lines that exude sportiness and speed. Performance. The X5 is the epitome of performance, providing a symphonic fusion of handling, acceleration, and agility that awakens your senses and turns every trip into an exhilarating ride. The steering of the X5 is a revelation. It seems more responsive than that of a huge SUV and more like that of a sporty sedan. Its engines, which offer a range of power from the lively inline-six to the powerful V8, also exhibit this dynamic prowess. With 0 to 60 miles per hour figures of less than 5 seconds for the xDrive 40i and a scorching 3.8 seconds for the M50i, the X5 accelerates like a crescendo. The adjustable suspension system of the X5 allows it to retain an exceptional level of composure even at high speeds. Interior and technology. When it comes to driving dynamics, the BMW X5 is perhaps one of the best automobiles out there. It has quick steering, a variety of potent engines, and handles like a much smaller car. The M Performance versions provide a thrilling driving experience by raising the bar on performance. However, this driving experience is suitable for those who like a more sporty vibe to them. Whereas the Range Rover is more of a family car, BMW's iDrive infotainment system, on the other hand, is well known for its numerous features and ease of use. The X5 has several technical innovations, including a head-up display, a computerized instrument cluster, and a high-end sound system. Verdict: the BMW X5 is the SUV for individuals who value driving pleasure and athletic appearance. It combines excellent performance with an opulent interior and a user-friendly infotainment system. The BMW, on the other hand, is a significantly expensive automobile with a starting price tag of $61,600. In addition, users have reported a water leakage issue as well as defective airbags. While these are minor faults, they can dramatically reduce the shelf life of your vehicle. Mercedes-Benz. Not to be overlooked, Mercedes-Benz, with its reputation for classic style and dedication to innovation, comes in last place on our list. There is no doubt that Mercedes is giving everyone a hard time in the SUV market, and you'll see why. Performance. The GLE offers a smooth and pleasant ride and comes with a variety of engine options, including hybrid versions, to suit different tastes. The GLE's performance is an exhibition of expert engineering, not just of raw speed. A variety of engines are available in its lineup, ranging from powerful AMG models that push boundaries in performance to fuel-efficient choices. It provides a smooth, peaceful driving experience on the highway, where it thrives, with 0 to 60 miles per hour figures of less than 5 seconds for the xDrive 40i and a scorching 3.8 seconds for the M50i. The X5 accelerates like a crescendo. The available air suspension further improves the ride quality by enabling you to elevate the car for off-road adventures or glide over road irregularities with ease. Interior and technology? The GLE's interior lives up to Mercedes-Benz's reputation for quality. The cabin is an excellent example of workmanship with fine materials and careful attention to every detail. The GLE has enough room for passengers and has very comfy seats. However, the quantity of cargo space that is available is a significant issue. Also, Mercedes' MBUX infotainment system is among the best in the business. It has augmented reality navigation, a widescreen digital dashboard, and voice recognition. The GLE has an extensive array of driver assistance systems and a high-end Burmester sound system, among other technological highlights that make your ride smooth. Verdict: the Mercedes-Benz GLE is an opulent SUV that perfectly achieves a mix of comfort, performance, and technology. Yet the car's drawbacks include an absurdly high price tag, which starts from $42,000 along with excessive maintenance costs and a small load capacity that makes it inefficient. In conclusion, which SUV you buy totally depends on your preference, price range, and usage. While all SUVs have some drawbacks, there is no doubt that they rule the automobile industry at the moment and will continue to do so. If you are looking for a modern yet low-priced SUV, then you might want to go for the Mercedes-Benz. But if money is not a problem for you, then you should opt for the luxurious Range Rover, right folks? This was it for today's video. Did you like what you saw? If you did, have you subscribed to the channel yet? Make sure to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Also press the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until then, head over to our channel and enjoy an endless stream of more such videos. We'll see you soon!